are watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and today we are going to try these new labels from Cricut, and these are writable vinyl smart labels in permanent vinyl. So let's check them out. So it comes in these three new colors, this beautiful shiny gold, and then it comes in this fun holographic. Look at the colors on that. How fun to label your stuff with this. And then this beautiful, this silver. This is what I call the stuff unicorns are made out of. It's so pretty. So we're going to go ahead and use this on a bridal shower favor. Since these are smart labels, there's no mat needed, so we're just going to go ahead and put it through our Cricut Joy. So for this, I'm going to take this candle here, this plain candle, and then we're going to make a label for it to be a bridal shower gift. And I don't know anybody having a bridal shower or any event coming up, so I'm going to pretend it's my bridal shower gift because I never had a bridal shower. So for your base material, you're going to choose Smart Label Writable Vinyl. Go ahead and put your Cricut Joy pen in. Now we are ready to load our pretty paper. Oh, it's so darn pretty. Oh, make sure you only have one sheet there. I was like, wait a minute. Feels like there's another one. Okay. And then just going to go ahead and start feeding it. Now on the Cricut Joy, you don't have to hit it to load. As soon as you start putting in, it will load and let you know on your screen it is loading the material. Now it's blinking, and on your screen, you're going to go ahead and click Go. Now to speed things up some. Now it's letting you know to go ahead and put the blade back in. Then click Go on your screen. And there is the label. I'm going to ever so carefully, I don't want to nick the label. I'm going to go ahead and remove our label here. Isn't that pretty? That is so stinking pretty. And there it is, the finished label. Just think of all the things you could do, like for weddings, birthday parties, just labeling things in your house if you want. I'm actually going to use this one. I have to label my craft cabinets here. And this one, you know, I love unicorns and rainbows, and this one just makes me happy. So I'm going to use the one that makes me happy, and I'm going to label all my craft cabinets and drawers. This is just so stinking pretty. I can't wait to label my craft cabinets. It just looks so good. So thank you all for joining us today. And always thank you to our admins who are rock stars in our lives. You guys who continuously watch us. Or if you're new, welcome. We love to share all things Cricut. Everything new that comes out, we'll share with you. Updates, features. So until next time, everyone, happy crafting. Bye. Apply it to your candle. Whatever you want to apply it to. I'm just doing a candle here. And there it awesome?